This is the Coins, Cashflow, and Conversations podcast, hosted by Upstate Essential Solutions. I am your host, Dakota Grady. If you need help with accounting and taxes for your business, you're a transportation entrepreneur, mitzvah owner, or esthetician entrepreneur, you need help with bookkeeping and taxes, I'm your guy. Contact me today at dakotagrady.com. And also, if you are someone who needs help with personal finances, struggling financially, it's the end of the year, and you live check to check, contact me today at dakotagrady.com. Hey y'all, I'm downtown Greenville on site doing a podcast out in the cold. I hate cold weather, but hey, I'm downtown with my family. I wanted to stop and do a podcast, man. I mean, it's off the cuff. Tonight I'm talking about this thing called the Augusta Rule. Is Internal Revenue Code, basically 280A. What does that mean for you? All right, let me break it down for you. All right, so basically, like in Augusta, Georgia, they have the Masters, right? It's the Masters for golf. So this thing has been going on almost 50 years, right? So people were renting out their homes, right? So now, fast forward, if you have a business, you can rent your home out to yourself. That's right, I say it again. If you have a business, you can rent your home out to yourself. But here are the specifics of that. Again, it's called 280A. You can put it in Google, 280A, it'll come up, right? So basically, it's saying that if you rent your home for less than 14 days, 15 days actually, and you collect rent, and you use your home for your business, say you do a meeting, right? What you can do is expense that for your business, one, and two, as the receiver of the income, you don't have to report to the IRS. But here is a catch though. Say you want to rent out your home. You do a meeting once a month, right? Which is 12 months, 12 times a year. So less than 15 days, right? Right. You can rent your home to yourself for a business meeting. So you're meeting with clients and you're discussing business, right? You want to rent your home and pay yourself. What you need to do is look at or call hotels in the area and say you want to say, what would you charge if I had a meeting for like 5 people, right? Get that fee. And when you pay yourself as your vendor or as a vendor for yourself, the business that is, what you can do is, hey, how y'all doing? What you can do is you can say, all right, Hotel A charge $250 for this room, right? Well, I'm gonna charge myself, my business, the same amount. So you need to create an invoice to your business. Say, all right, I'm gonna charge you $250 for this room for this amount of time per month. Give yourself an invoice in one, send it to yourself, the business, and create an agreement. Say we're going to rent this house, this location, this day for this amount of time, for at this rate, right? Document that. If you document it, if the IRS comes and audits you, you got documentation. So do that each time. So you call, check on prices in the area, what hotels are charging for rental space, and you basically follow suit. Charge the same amount that they would charge you for a room if you rented that space for a meeting, right? So do that, and you want to also have an invoice and pay the invoice for the business, right? When you do that, you can expense that for the business, one. When you get paid as the owner of the home, you don't have to report that income. That's right. It's legit. Now this thing has been going on for about 50 years. I found out about it, read about it, but it didn't pertain to any of my clients. But now I have one client in Florida who is doing this. So I'm saying, all right, let me find out more about this. I researched it, talked to a friend of mine who's a CPA. She confirmed it, so here I am, bringing the heat to you tonight on New Year's Eve about this thing that you can do in your business. You can, again, rent your home to yourself, pay yourself that income, expenses for the business, and then you don't have to report income to the IRS. that simple, y'all. So I want you to know it's called 280A or the Augusta Rule. Check it out online, research it. It's available to you if you know where to find it. So I hope this will help for you, beneficial to you. And also, Happy New Year. Set some goals. Do better this next year. And also want to encourage you, if you need help with personal finances or accounting and taxes, I'm your guy. Contact me today at dakotagrady.com. Again, website is dakotagrady.com. Oh, by the way, get a copy of my book called Broke, Secrets to Fix America's Financial Crisis at dakotagrady.com. And if you want a journal to help you write your thoughts down, what you can do is email me at dakota@dakotagrady.com to get a copy of the journal. Start 2024 off the right way, y'all. Happy New Year to you. This is the Coins, Cashflow, and Conversations podcast coming to you from downtown Greenville, y'all. Right here, baby, in the heart of Greenville. My website is dakotagrady.com. Check it out, y'all. Happy New Year.